Dreamy Days.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing a pizza with a fork and a knife! So, let's get started! We will start by drawing a pizza slice. Now we will draw some vegetables in our pizza. Now, mushrooms! Friends, do you like pizza? Then we will draw some basil leaves and capsicums. Now, we will draw a fork on the left side of the pizza. At last, we will draw a knife on the right side of the pizza. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. We will start by coloring the tomatoes red. Now we will color the mushrooms brown. Next, we will color the capsicum and basil leaves with different green colors. Now, we will color the pizza crust light brown. To complete our pizza, we will color the base yellow. Our pizza is looking yummy! It's time to color fork and knife gray. Color the cute little hearts orange. At last, we will color the handles of the fork and knife blue. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.